Today we're gonna make hummus, and we're actually gonna make it out of a can. I have a raw food hummus recipe, so you can go look for that. Or this is the recipe you can use if you want a can and you just need to do something that's easy and healthy. We're gonna put some garlic cloves and onion in there. The garlic cloves are actually frozen, but you can use fresh or frozen because they're gonna be boiled. I usually like to get garlic cloves fresh, and then after they've been in the refrigerator a couple days, throw them in the freezer so I don't waste them. I put them in there whole because it doesn't matter. They're gonna go in the Vitamix once we've cooked it up. That's a little bit of olive oil. And we're pouring the whole can of garbanzo beans in there. We're actually gonna do 2 cans. And then we're gonna boil it, which is gonna get rid of some of the water. Add some salt. This is some black salt. Some rainbow pepper. Some paprika. And if you want it a little bit warmer, some cayenne pepper. Just put a tad bit in. I'm gonna use these sweet peppers as the chips that we're gonna eat with the hummus. I'm gonna show you how I cut them up. This is about a pound plus for our family of 3. Put 2 or 3 ice cubes in it once it's done because it's been boiling, and I want to cool it down because it's going to go in this plastic Vitamix container, and I kind of worry about the leaching, so I just like to cool it down a little bit first. Then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of tahini and put it in here and mix it up.
This is not Stephanie's hands, this is my hands. Just so you're not thinking man hands.
That's silly. Okay, that's good, and then just mix it up. It gives it a chance to cool down. It mixes it up really well. And then we're gonna put it in our Vitamix and add some more spices and a little bit more olive oil. And then we're gonna blend it up. I'm gonna start it on the lowest setting and start blending, and then we'll add our spices.
A little bit more olive oil.
Some more paprika.
Salt.
Black salt, or regular salt. We just have black salt. Pepper. Then we're gonna finish blending it up. Here is our cut up peppers ready to serve, and then we'll just put these on the table, and we'll have 3 individual plates since we have 3 individual people, and we'll put the hummus right on the plate. It should come out pretty thick. I usually eat mine just like this, but Stephen likes to add more spices to his.
That's a little bit extra cayenne pepper and some red pepper flakes. Give it a little bit of extra spice. Just a little tap of olive oil.
And then that's it.